Today, I'll show you how to delete a Microsoft Bookings page, specifically how to remove an individual booking slot from your Bookings with Me dashboard. First, let's get to the right place. Open your browser and sign into your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Then navigate to your Bookings with Me dashboard. This is the central area where all your personal booking links and time slots are managed. You might access it through your Microsoft 365 apps, through Outlook, or by using a direct link your organization provides. However you get there, you'll know you're in the right spot when you see a grid or list of meeting cards, each representing a different booking option or time slot people can use to schedule with you. Each of these meeting cards usually shows details like the meeting name, duration, and availability settings. This is important because before you delete anything, you want to double check that you're working with the correct slot. Take a moment to read the title and details on the card so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one, especially if you have similar sounding meetings such as multiple 111 or check-in slots. Now, once you've identified the slot you want to remove, move your mouse over that meeting card. Look for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. These three dots are typically located in the upper corner of the card, and they might only appear when you hover your mouse over the card. This is a common design pattern in Microsoft apps, so if you don't see them right away, just move your cursor around the card area for a second. When you see the three dots, click on them. A small menu will appear with several options related to that specific booking slot. Among these options, look for Delete. This is the command that removes the selected slot from your Bookings with Me page. Click Delete to proceed. Depending on your settings and the current version of the interface, you may see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this booking. If that appears, read it carefully. Confirm that the meeting name and details match the slot you intend to remove. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the system will remove that slot from your dashboard. The meeting card should disappear from the list, and people who previously had access to that specific booking link will no longer be able to book new time using that slot. Any existing events already scheduled through that link may still show up in your calendar, so it's a good idea to quickly review your calendar afterward and decide whether you need to cancel or adjust any previously booked meetings manually. If you don't see your slot disappear right away, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the dashboard needs a second to update and reflect your latest changes. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a booking slot from your Microsoft Bookings with Me page.